Okay guys, so today we're going to make some chicken with broccoli. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut up our chicken to marinate. So I have some chicken breasts here that I'm going to cut up into small slices. As you can see, I'm slicing it thinly and at an angle as well. So I'm actually going to be using 3 chicken breasts in this particular recipe. So I'm just going to get to cutting up the rest of the chicken and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so here we have our sliced chicken. Now let's put the marinade together to marinate our chicken. Okay, so let's get to marinating our chicken. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce as we had 3 chicken breasts. The soy sauce that I'm using is gluten-free. 2 and 1 more, 3. So we have 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of water. I'm going to add 2 egg whites. And I'm also going to add 6 tablespoons of cornstarch as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now let's mix this together thoroughly. And we're going to set this aside. In my case, I'm going to set it aside for a few hours. You can, the minimum, maybe you can marinate this for about 30 minutes before you're ready to cook it. But I will leave mine a little longer to marinate. Sometimes when I'm making this marinade, I would also put a little bit of rice wine in it, but I won't worry to put any today. I'm just making sure that I get all the pieces coated and I break up any cornstarch clumps in it. Alright, so once you get this thoroughly mixed, we're going to cover it with some plastic wrap and we're going to put it in the refrigerator. Alright, so our chicken is ready. We're going to leave it to marinate. And now let's work on the sauce. Okay, so now we're going to put together our sauce. So I'm actually going to put together a fair amount of sauce. You could always cut this in half if you don't want to use as much as I am going to put together. Of course, if I don't need to use all of it, I will just leave back the rest and put it in a bottle in the fridge. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to put 4 teaspoons of cornstarch in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of gluten-free oyster sauce. 1, 2. I'm also going to use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, 2. And I'm going to now put a cup of chicken broth. Right, so let's just stir everything together. Get it well combined. And this is our sauce that we will add at the end of the cooking process. Now, of course, like I said, I did do a large amount. And so whatever I don't use, I'm just going to put it in the fridge for the next time when I need to use the sauce. Okay, so like I said, we're doing chicken with broccoli, but I'm not only going to add broccoli to this alone, so of course we need to have our broccoli. So here I have some broccoli cut up here, but what I'm going to do first is I'm going to blanch this broccoli in some hot water for a few seconds, and I'm also going to cut up some seasoning peppers. This is not traditional, but I'm also going to add this to it as well. And I'm also going to add some spring onions as well. So these are the different items that I'm going to add to my chicken and broccoli. Now there is something else that I will also need to add when I'm cooking the chicken, which is about 1 teaspoon of ginger and about 3 cloves of garlic. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, give the video the thumbs up, and I'd love to hear from you guys. So leave some comments below and let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.